Hi everyone! I wanted to do a quick video today showing you all how I put the hair on the best Friends Dollies. As you can see, I've already started with Dolly's fringe, and from there I continue that straight line down the back of the head straight down to her neck so that I can work out where her natural parting will end up being. I also find that when I continue that straight line down the back of the head to her neck, it's much easier once filling in the sides of the hair to fill in the back of the head with the rest of the hair, creating the perfect volume for that natural hair look. Every piece of hair is individually sewn into place and then tied on tight so it won't fall out of the doll's head. So, now the back's all done, it's time to move on to the sides as I said before. Whilst knitting and sewing Dolly's head, I have that clear line from hair colour to skin colour, so whilst sewing on the sides of her hair, I make sure to keep the hair on the hair colour part of her head. This again just reinforces that more natural hair look. Just the hair alone generally takes me up to an hour and a half to finish tying on. It's a lot of work and it takes a long time, but it's well worth it when you see the results at the end. I fill in the bottom of the dolly's neck whilst I'm filling in the middle between the parting at the back and the sideburns. And this again helps to make sure I get that natural looking hair when it's finished. From here, you can already start to get an idea for what Dolly's hair is going to look like when it's finished. But there's lots of filling in to do until then. So I'll make a part 2 video once the hair's all finished being filled, and I'll take you through how I end up having the hair curly and how I cut and style it. Love and teddy bear hugs, and I'll see you in part 2.